Welcome viewers. In this video we are going to learn about how to extract number of vowels and consonants that are present in a given list. So basically what we will have at the end, we will have two dictionaries, and one dictionary will have vowels as their keys and number of times that each vowel was present in that specific sentence. Similarly, one dictionary for consonants and number of times that consonant was present in that sentence. So for that, to do that experiment, I will take one sentence. Let's say I will take my sentence, and I will give it I will write the sentence like the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so this sentence contains all the alphabets of English grammar. So once we do this, I will declare one function, or you can say I will define one function that will do all the operations. So I will define function, let's say def my func. Okay, and it will take sentence, or you can say the data, and it will take the number of vowels, or you can say the set of vowels that are present in English dictionary. So I will take I will write one more argument, that is vowels. Okay, for the time being I will keep it a pass. Then in the next line I will print and I will call this function. So how can I call? I will write my func, and I will pass these two parameters like my sentence, and one more parameter that I haven't given, that would be one list that contains the vowels. So I will name it list vowels, and I will write 5 vowels in it. So this is 3, 4, 5. So this will be O, U, I, E, A. So it is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we will pass, one is my sentence and another is the list of vowels in this function. So once I do this, I will, for the time being, I am writing return 0 for this timing. Now let's construct this function. So once we call this function, we will have this data list. Now this data list will contain the sentence. So the execution will begin from here. So I will pass one more argument, that is list vowels. So I will write list vowels. Okay, so our function call is done. Now I will define it. So in the first case, I will split all the letters, or you can say I will split all the words into individual letters. Okay, now to do that I will invoke a list function itself. So I will write data equal to list of data. Okay, now if I print this data, then what will happen? I will get all the letters, or you can say all the individual characters that are present in the list. Now you can see we have got all the individual characteristics, all the individual characters. Okay, but it also have this blank, or you can say the empty character. Now we have to remove, or you can say we have to eliminate the empty characters. Now to eliminate the empty characters, I will design a list comprehension, and I will eliminate all the empty spaces. Now for that I will write a loop for I in data. Okay, now if sorry for this sound, if I not equal to empty space, then only extract I. Okay, so then I will have only I. Now if I print it, now you can see all the empty spaces are gone. Okay, now we are having only the individual characters without any spaces. So once we have reached to this point, I will declare two empty dictionaries, that is a dict vowel, that will be empty, and dict consonants any. Okay, this is also empty. Now at that means I declared these two individual dictionaries because it will hold the end result. Okay, once we do this, now I will iterate over all these individual characters, and I will count how many times they have appeared in the sentence. Now for doing that, I will iterate over it. So for I in data. Okay, now once I do that, then I will try to build an if-else statement. It will check if it is a vowel or it is a consonant. So to achieve that, I will write a if I in vowels. So if it is vowels, then I will do something else, I will do something else. So pass. Okay, now this is the consonant section, consonant section, and the above one, this one will be the vowel section. Okay, so let's comment it. This will be VOWE, vowels section. Okay. Now I will have, now if I means if that specific alphabet is in the vowels, then I will do something. Now I will have one more if else group. If I in dict of vowels, if it is present, then what I will do, I will increment I by 1, I equal to 1. If it is present, means if E is already present in the vowel list, then I will I will increase by 1. So if it is already there, then dict vowels of I plus equal to 1. if it is already there. Now if it is not there, then what will happen? If it is not there, then I will write else statement. Is there any indentation error? If okay, let's remove this comment line. Okay, now I will have else. If it is else, then what will happen? Then dict vowels of I equal to 1. Okay, now this is the vowel section is done. Now once we do that, we will write the similar code over here. Now here I will write if I in dict of consonants, if it is present, then I will write dict of consonant of I plus equal to 1. Else it is I think it is also having indentation error. Let's go back. Yeah, else I will have dict consonants of I equal to 1. So basically what we are doing, if the consonant is present in the dictionary, then we will add it by 1, so the value will get incremented by 1 for that specific key. And here if it is that specific key, let's say T, if the T is not there, then T will be a key and the value will be initialized to 1. So once we do that, I will remove this print statement and I will return let's return this value. Okay, return dict consonants and dict vowels. Now if everything goes well, then we can see number of times all the vowels and consonants are present in this specific sentence. So run without debugging. Okay, is there any error? Okay, there is key error in the line number 20. The line number 20, there is a key error that is saying okay, let me fix this. All right, I have got the error. Now the error in line number 20 is that I have given index over here. Now it should not be an index, it should be only dict values. So I think it will work now. Now if I run it, we should get then result. So you can see we are getting T has appeared 2 times, H has appeared 2 times, Q 1 times, and so on. O has appeared 4 times. So this is how we can extract how many times a specific vowels or consonants that are present in a dictionary. So let's meet in the next video.